Kama chol nyakoro mgaji wang duol mochung ne chano nengo modhi e pachoka EPRA wacho ni biro lando nengo manyien ma chenro mag keyo modhi kachop dwe mar apar higani.
Jatatije ka EPRA Daniel Kipto wacho ni mano biro konyo kambi mar Kenya Pipeline e yudo resruok kendo wuok e midhiero mar lala ma kambino osebedo kayudo.
Kipto nolose kaunti ma Kisumu kama olero ni kambi mar Kenya Pipeline ok nyal we medo yudo hinyruok.
E dwe mokalo Kenya Pipeline ne ochwalo dwaro ni EPRA mondo migi thuolo mar timo lokruok e nengo mar chwalo modhi e odundu.
One of the notable changes is we are looking to unbundle KPC's tariff. Historically, we've had one tariff both for pipeline transportation and storage. We are looking to unbundle those so that then we have a separate tariff for pipeline transport and a separate tariff for storage. What is important is for us to be able to moderate as per our mandate to balance the interests of investors and consumers. We do know that one of the big topical issues has been petroleum pump price, and the transportation component is one of the line items in the price build-up that Kenyans do pay for at the pump. So we're really looking at how do we then balance the interests of ensuring that we have a pipeline that is technically sound, that is maintained to standard, so that then we don't have any technical challenges when it comes to operation. We also look at the investment that KPC seeks to make in the 3-year tariff control period. What are the operation and maintenance costs? And we balance those as against the interest of the consumer to ensure we have a pump price that is affordable